Have you ever had people show up to your live stream, watch for a while, maybe even comment, and then leave without buying anything? If so, you're not alone. And the reason might not be what you think. A lot of creators think if people aren't buying, my prices must be wrong. Or maybe they don't like my products, right? Sometimes that's true, but most of the time, people don't buy because they're not ready yet. Most viewers do not become customers the first time that they see you. They usually go through a process first. They watch, they learn, they observe, they decide whether they trust you, and then eventually they buy. Think about the last time you bought something online. Did you buy from the very first person that you saw? Probably not. You likely had to look around, right? Read reviews, watch the videos, compared options, and then made your decision. Your viewers are doing the exact same thing. They're gathering information. They're deciding if they even trust you. Now, people buy when trust becomes stronger than their uncertainty. So, first thing, stop expecting every viewer to buy today. This mindset shift is very important because not every viewer is a buyer yet. Some are future buyers. So your job is to keep building that relationship. Second thing, focus on helping before selling. The fastest way to lose trust is to only talk about yourself. The fastest way to build trust is to help people, teach, share, answer questions, provide value. The third thing, let people get to know you. People buy from people, not logos, not businesses, not websites. People want to know who they're buying from. This is one reason that live content is so powerful because it allows people to experience you in real time. The fourth thing, create multiple touch points. Now, one live stream is rarely enough. One post is rarely enough. One video is rarely enough. People often need to see you several times before they feel comfortable enough to even buy. So consistency does matter. Fifth thing, give people a clear next step. Sometimes people want to buy, but they're confused. What should they do next? Where should they go? How do they work with you? Make the next step very simple and very clear. So if viewers are watching, but they're not buying, don't immediately assume that the problem is your product. Ask yourself, have I built enough trust? Have I helped enough people? Have I given them enough opportunities to get to know me? Because buying usually happens after the trust, not before. All right. If you want help getting more viewers, attracting more customers, and building a stronger business, join the Get More Viewers Tiny Challenge and apply for a complimentary 5-day one-to-one training session. We'll work together to identify opportunities in your business and help you create a plan to attract more viewers, build stronger customer relationships, and generate more sales. Also, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on live selling, content creation, audience growth, customer engagement, and business building strategies. As always, I appreciate you for being here. Thank you for your support, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.